Is I am talking about BlackRock stocks. So here you can see the stock's price at this moment $1,136. In the last one day the stocks make only 0% return. If you see the last 5 days the stocks how much return, here you can see more than 2%, and here you can see last 1 years. Okay, I can show you. Before you can see last 1 year's return, you can see last 1 month return, which is only 11%, not a very poor. If you see last 6 month return, which is 5%, and year to date return, which is 5% approx. Last 1 years these stocks make only 1% return. So what do you think about these stocks? Please comment below. And these stocks make only 26% return at this moment. Okay, and if you see maximum return, how much these stocks make return for investors, which is 79x return. Okay, so BlackRock stocks make much more return as compared to past. Okay, so here you can see this stocks market valuation, how much market valuation. So what do you think about these stocks? Please comment below, and always do your own research before investing.